What is command prompt? A command prompt is the input field in a text-based user interface screen for an operating system, OS, or program. The prompt is designed to elicit an action. The command prompt consists of a brief text string followed by a blinking cursor, which is where the user types command prompt commands. There are two ways in opening command prompt. Go to Windows Start menu. Type command prompt, click command prompt, or press Windows and R, type CMD and hit enter. But if you want full administrative privilege, go to Start menu, type command prompt, right-click command prompt, run as administrator and click Yes. In the right side I'm going to set time. I'll enter time and input value and hit enter. Because I'm not running in the administrative rights, I cannot make changes. Now let's try in the left side with the administrative rights. As you can see, the time has changed. I'm going to type help to show the list of commands. I'm going to type CLS and hit enter to clear the screen. My command prompt default location is Drive C Windows, System 32. I'm going to show the equivalent location in Windows. I'm going to type dir to show the current directory content. As you can see, it's the same. To go to Windows folder, type CD and 2 periods and hit enter. Here's the equivalent to Windows view. I'm going to type CD and 2 periods again and hit enter. Now I'm in the Drive C location. I'm going to type dir. To go to other drive location, just type the drive. For example, type E: and hit enter. We are now in the drive E. I'm going to show how to open the Microsoft Office using command prompt. I'm going to open MS Word and Excel. Let's go to Drive E. I'm going to open the equivalent Windows folder. I'm going to create folder by typing MD space and demo and hit enter. Folder is created. Now let's delete the folder using RD, type RD space demo and hit enter. The folder is deleted. I'm going to create the folder demo again. Let's go inside the folder demo. Let's show the directory. Let's go back to the folder directory by typing CD and 2 period and hit enter. Let's rename the folder demo by using ren and rename. Let's go inside folder sample. I'm going to create new text file. And also I'm creating folder CSS. Now we're going to copy the text file by typing copy a.txt space CSS and hit enter. Let's check if it is copied. Now let's rename the a.txt to Erlen. Let's move the Erlen text to sample folder. The file was moved. Now let's delete the file by typing del space a.text and hit enter. Let's copy erlen.txt to CSS folder. Let's copy and rename the file. Now we're going to delete all files by typing del filename **** and hit enter. Press Y.